video topics across various genres. Education. 1. Science experiments demonstrate fun and easy experiments that viewers can try at home. 2. History mysteries. Explore unsolved mysteries or significant events in history. 3. Mathematics tricks. Share tricks and tips to solve math problems quickly. 4. Language learning. Provide tips and lessons for learning a new language. 5. Book summaries. Summarize and analyze popular books. Technology. 1. Tech reviews. Review the latest gadgets and tech products. 2. How-to guides, tutorials on using software, apps, or other tech tools. 3. Coding for beginners. Teach basic programming concepts. 4. Tech news. Cover the latest news and trends in the tech industry. 5. Gaming tips. Share tips, tricks, and strategies for popular video games. Lifestyle. 1. Home decor. Ideas for decorating on a budget. 2. Fitness routines. Share workout routines for different fitness levels. 3. Travel vlogs. Document your travels and provide tips for fellow travelers. 4. Cooking tutorials. Show how to make various recipes step by step. 5. Personal finance. Tips for budgeting, saving, and investing money. Entertainment. 1. Movie reviews. Review and discuss recent movies or classic films. 2. Celebrity gossip. Cover the latest celebrity news and gossip. 3. Music covers. Perform and share covers of popular songs. 4. Comedy skits. Create and perform original comedic sketches. 5. TV show recaps. Recap and discuss episodes of popular TV shows. Creative arts. 1. DIY projects. Show how to create various DIY crafts. 2. Art tutorials. Teach drawing, painting, or other art techniques. 3. Photography tips. Share tips and tricks for taking great photos. 4. Writing tips. Provide advice on creative writing and storytelling. 5. Dance tutorials. Teach popular dance routines. Health and wellness. 1. Mental health tips. Share advice on managing stress and anxiety. 2. Healthy eating. Provide recipes and tips for a healthy diet. 3. Yoga sessions. Guide viewers through yoga routines. 4. Beauty tips. Share skincare and makeup tutorials. 5. Meditation guides. Teach different meditation techniques. Current events. 1. News analysis. Provide in-depth analysis of current events. 2. Political commentary. Discuss and debate political issues. 3. Environmental issues. Explore current environmental challenges and solutions. 4. Economic updates. Cover the latest developments in the economy. 5. Cultural trends. Discuss emerging trends in society and culture. Personal development. 1. Motivational talks. Share inspirational stories and advice. 2. Time management tips. Teach strategies for effective time management. 3. Goal setting. Provide tips on setting and achieving personal goals. 4. Skill development. Tutorials on developing new skills, like public speaking. 5. Mindfulness practices. Teach mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Feel free to let me know if you need more specific ideas or want to dive deeper into a particular topic.